Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about role of individual to protect environment. So it is very important for us to protect our environment, and what is our role in it as a citizen and as an individual. Why we should protect our environment? We know for our future generation, we should protect the environment, and for ourselves also. So first individual role in protecting environment is conserving water. The measure to conserve water resource includes not keeping water taps running. It's a very basic thing. We have learned it, we have been told so many times, but still we keep on repeating so that we become more aware of it. Not keeping water taps running, check water leak and repair, adopt minimum water use patterns, installing water saving toilets that use optimum water per flush. So these are some techniques which we can imbibe in our day-to-day life so that the water is conserved. These are some things which we can do as an individual. Then adopting rainwater harvesting device in your house to conserve water for future use. Collect wastewater in your home and use it for watering kitchen or garden. Filling water in washing machine to the level required for the clothes to be washed. Watering lawn and kitchen garden plants in the evening to minimize evaporation losses and not watering them in the midday. Cooperate beach cleanup activities in coastal areas and save wetlands, lakes, ponds, wells, and etc. So these are some basic things which we can do, like we can water our grasses or our plants during the evening or early morning so that the evaporation is less, so less water you need to sprinkle it or give it to the plants. um, Fill up your washing machine according to the amount of clothes you have. Sometimes it is like we only have 3 clothes, but still the washing machine takes the machine works according to the level of water it should get filled, so it will fill according to the amount of water which is already pre-designed, right? That this washing machine will have 5 liters of water inside, so every day, even if it has 3 clothes or 100 clothes, it will get 5 liters of water inside. So if you can make an effort, you can do what is, you can fill up the water according to the level of, according to the amount of clothes, right? So collect wastewater inside your home and you can utilize for other activities, right? So water conservation one can do. Then we observe March 22nd as World Water Day, observe February 2nd as World Wetland Day, and join Youth Water Team or any such NGO which is helping in conserving water. So these are all things we can do to conserve water. What is our role in protecting forest? That is also important. The measure to conserve forest, save trees and planting new trees includes not felling the trees in forests, farms, roads or houses if they are green, not uprooting the existing tree while constructing a house, but planting fast growing plant species in open area of the house. Planting ornamental herbs, shrubs or suitable trees in and around the house. Maintain lawn and garden in open place and in your house if possible. So we should save our forest. We should not cut trees to build houses or construct buildings or to construct roads, right? One should make sure that the less amount of trees are cut, right? So conserving forest is also an individual practice which we can do. We can plant a lawn around our house. We can have small plants around our house that will help us in protecting environment. So participate in community plantation programs. There are several programs which are going on in Gujarat. You can see all the radios are giving you seeds to plant trees around your house. They are giving it for free, so you can participate in all that to conserve the forest or nature. Cooperate with NGOs engaged in saving trees. Encourage mass scale tree plantation program. Plant trees generously in barren fields. Tag tree plantation with year ceremonies such as birthday, marriage anniversary, etc. Observe July 1 to 7 as Van Mahotsav week. So basically, what is happening here that you should participate in the community plantation program, right? Many plantation programs are going on in Ahmedabad and Gujarat also. One can do that so that the our environment is conserved, right? And please do that. That's what we need to promote, and that is what our society is needing, right? The air quality index is going lower down day by day, so one should be very, very concerned about the environment. Observe December 11 as Mountain Days. Mountains being source of fresh water, encourage adopt a tree program, each one tree one. Observe March 21 as Forest Day, discouraging using paper for correspondence and promote use of paper. So basically, what they are trying to say that you have to use less paper in relation to conserve trees, and one person and one tree. So if I am a person, I'm one person, right? So I need to plant one tree to conserve the environment. At least one person should plant one tree. Um, Many more such things are there which can help individually to protect the environment. One should conserve minerals, minimum use of minerals which are likely to be depleted or exhausted. Minimum use of jewelry to conserve scarce minerals. Recycle and reuse minerals and glasses. Buy durable products that last long. Buy efficient vehicles. Repair and reuse bicycle. Use recyclable utensils. So what you are going to do is, rather than using plastic, we should use recyclable utensils. We should conserve more and more minerals, wear less jewelry. These are the things which are going to conserve minerals. Use efficient vehicles, right? So nowadays there is demand of electrical vehicles so that the fuel is conserved, right? So this is what is required. How can we help in saving food, like individuals' role in food security? As day by day pollution and population is increasing, the demand of food is also increasing. So some of the measures to achieve food security are sustainable use of food and not wasting it, eating only as much as required for sustained life, consuming local and seasonable vegetables and so as to save energy on their transportation, storage and preservation. So one should consume food according to the season, right? So suppose in Kashmir there is they always have cold environment and they have more apples in their surroundings, so they should consume more apples, right? So that the transportation of other vegetables and fruit decreases, right? And eating as much as only required. Sometimes we overeat, that is not to be done. The amount of food which is required to satisfy your hunger, only eat that much, right? And don't waste food. So buy only organically grown food, discourage packed and canned and preserved food. Shift for non-vegetarian to vegetarian. So shift from non-vegetarian to vegetarian because that will help in conserving animals. Observe October 16 as World Food Day and November 21 as World Fisher Day. So what is the individual's role in saving electricity or energy, right? So we have talked about several areas of environment and what is the individual role in that area. So we have talked about forest area, we have talked about water, we have talked about food. So these are the different areas of environment where one can contribute. So in energy conservation, turning your lights and fan, very basic thing, we can do it at our home. Replacing tube lights with CFLs or LED, constructing buildings in such a way that maximum amount of ventilation and lighting is available. Try to dry your clothes in sunlight rather than using dryers, right? So using of solar cookers, efficient appliances, minimum use of automobiles, trying to reside near the workplace so that the transportation cost gets lower plus the energy is saved, keeping vehicle turned off for low consumption of fuel, checking fuel consumption data while buying new vehicles, following the advice given by Petroleum Conservation Research Association. Right, so if you live nearby to your workplace, you will have to commute less, and if you commute less, that means you are releasing less amount of carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. So wearing adequate woolen clothes during winter instead of using heater, growing deciduous trees at proper place outside the house, they will cut off the intense heat during the summers. So it will cut off the electricity consumption in your house. So that is also very important that we construct our house in such a way that it gives natural coolness, and it also gives natural sunlight to us. So ventilation and sunlight both are required. So one need to plant trees according to the atmosphere in the surrounding in the house. So individuals' role in sustainable agriculture. So if we want proper food, we need to have sustainable agriculture. So reducing the use of fertilizers and pesticides. We have already learned about how pesticides are reason for soil erosion and water pollution. So using biofertilizer, using biological control measures for pest control, avoid over irrigation, right? So without proper irrigation to prevent waterlogging, so the water is not wasted. Use water according to the requirement of the vegetation. So discouraging monoculture and practicing, you can see here in the figure as it is shown that different vegetables and plants are planted here in the one field, right? So adopting drip irrigation, observing December 23rd as World's Farmers Day, and observing June 17 as a day to combat desertification in desert, and observe November 21 to 27 as National Land Resource Conservation Week. So one should use different methods in which one can conserve the environment, right? So I think we have discussed several ideas, and you can elaborate if in the exam it is asked what is the role of individual to protect the environment, you can talk about this and different genres, and if you want to add, you can also add few points. Thank you for watching this video.